If you're considering the Chase mobile app, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision. Whether you're new to managing your finances on your phone or already using an app like Mint or Bank of America's mobile app, Chase Mobile offers a solid option, but is it the right fit for you? Let's dive into the top things to consider before you hit that download button. First off, Chase Mobile is an excellent tool for managing your Chase accounts, offering real-time updates and easy navigation. It stands out with its solid integration for those who already have Chase accounts. Whether you're checking balances, making payments, or managing investments, this app connects directly to your Chase financial ecosystem. Next thing to note, the user interface. Chase Mobile is clean, intuitive, and easy to use, which is essential when you need to get things done fast. Compared to competitors like Wells Fargo, which can feel a little clunky, Chase's app provides a streamlined experience with clear labels and smart shortcuts. Now, one standout feature is the ability to deposit checks remotely. Simply take a photo, and the app deposits the check directly into your account. While many banking apps offer this feature, Chase's check deposit is highly reliable and has fewer issues than others like Bank of America's mobile app, which sometimes has trouble processing images. The fourth thing you need to know, Chase's mobile app provides solid account security. Two-factor authentication, fingerprint login, and facial recognition are standard features, which add an extra layer of protection. If security is a priority for you, Chase's offerings are competitive with apps from other top banks, ensuring peace of mind. However, when it comes to budgeting tools, Chase Mobile falls short compared to competitors like Mint. Chase offers basic spending insights, but if you're looking for advanced features, like category tracking or spending goals, you might want to check out Mint or Personal Capital for a more detailed view. The sixth thing, Chase Mobile's integration with Zelle for fast money transfers. You can send and receive money to almost anyone instantly, and since Zelle is integrated directly into the app, it's fast and easy. However, unlike PayPal, it doesn't offer buyer protection or the same level of dispute resolution, so keep that in mind. Next, let's talk about alerts. Chase allows you to set up customized notifications for transactions, balances, or upcoming bills, which can help you stay on top of your finances. It's a simple feature, but it adds value, especially for people who want proactive reminders. Moving on to the eighth thing, customer support through the app. Chase Mobile offers chat and call support, but compared to apps like Bank of America, which provides more robust customer service features like live video support, you might find Chase's options limited if you prefer face-to-face assistance. The ninth point is the app's ability to manage your investments if you have a Chase investment account. While it's a good option for managing basic investments, it doesn't offer the advanced tools or analysis you'll find in apps like Robinhood or E-Trade, which might be better for more active investors. The 10th thing to know is the app's payment options. Chase Mobile allows you to pay bills, set up recurring payments, and even schedule transfers between accounts. It's user-friendly and flexible, though it may not have the variety of payment methods that apps like Venmo or PayPal offer. Another feature to consider is Chase's rewards program integration. If you have a Chase credit card, you can view and redeem rewards points right through the app. This is a handy feature if you're already using Chase's cards, but it's not as comprehensive as apps from companies like American Express, which offer more rewards management features. The 12th thing to know, Chase Mobile is constantly updated with new features, bug fixes, and security improvements, ensuring you have a stable experience over time. However, it's important to note that major updates sometimes cause temporary app slowdowns, which is something to keep in mind if you need the app to work seamlessly at all times. In conclusion, Chase Mobile is a good app for anyone looking to manage their Chase accounts easily, securely, and on the go. If you're already a Chase customer, it's a convenient tool to have in your pocket. However, if you're looking for more advanced budgeting tools, a wider range of payment options, or better investment management, you might want to explore other options. If you're after something a bit more tailored to your needs, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.